Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of having a negative balance on your Cash App account. So first, let's talk about why your balance might be negative. It could be because you spend your full balance and then a charge came in later. For example, from an online purchase. A merchant double charge you by mistake. Next, Cash App may have applied a fee or secondary charge for services, which they can deduct even if your balance is already low. So, even if you had zero left, they might still apply fees. And that's when you'll see a negative balance. To avoid this in the future, always keep a little extra in your balance as a buffer. Don't spend money that's still marked as spending or hold on from other transactions. If you really don't know why you're in the negative or you think it's a mistake, here's what to do. Open Cash App, tap the profile icon, scroll down and tap Support, and look for an option to contact support. Then just explain the issue clearly, like, my account shows a negative balance but I don't know why. They'll usually get back to you and help you resolve it. To prevent this, make sure you're aware of anything pending charges and avoid spending the full amount in your account right away. And that's it. That's how to fix negative balance on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.